Hi guys, welcome back to Meet the Myers. Today we are doing a succulent video.
I'm watching YouTube videos about propagating succulents, and this guy could use it. This guy is really okay, but we're gonna do it anyway just to see what happens. This is one of my new babies from Succulent Studios, so it's that one. This guy's stretching out a little bit, so he could be propagated. And this one's kind of been sick, so I think we're gonna tear it apart and see if we can get some new babies out of it too. I pulled these leaves off a few days or a week ago, and so they have to get a callus on the end. Let me see if I can get it to focus.
It's kind of getting a callus.
So these might be ready to set on the
This
dirt.
is ready, Mama, look.
Okay. So first we're going to start
With
with
this
this
guy. At the,
if you snip it.
just like,
So this one I'm just going to prune back.
and you can put it in the dirt and it can grow more babies.
I don't think this one will, but we can try it
Here,
and see
can
what
you see?
happens. And then this one.
That might, because it has a callus, Mama.
Okay.
No, I just realized
What?
kids won't want to watch this.
That's okay. Sometimes grown-ups watch videos. Okay, so
Because you watched YouTube videos. Right?
trim that.
This, let me
this
see if
one
this...
dry out.
This doesn't have a callus. I don't see a callus.
Let's
I
see.
like this one. This one's my favorite. It is so cute.
Okay, so this one we're gonna leave. It now has 3 cut stems. 1,
What one was this, Mom?
2, 3. There's nothing in there. It's just an empty pot. And it's got 2 little baby starts that were already on there. So we'll see what happens.
And we...
Calm down. Okay. Now this one's next.
Can I try that one, Mommy? It actually has roots.
Getting some of the dirt off of the roots. But this one started sprouting new roots above where the soil line was, which is
Let me see.
weird.
Cool.
Yeah.
And we can grow. Let me see the
Plant it back in here again. Actually, yeah, that'll be fine.
let me see if I can see the callus, whatever it's called.
Put soil back in here.
What's it called? That
The roots?
Yeah, no. The callus, whatever. That's what it's called? Callus?
The hard parts are called calluses. Okay, so this is all for this guy. It's
Can I
just
see?
a stem. And then with this,
We have to wiggle them off?
Yep.
Can
you
I do
just, I'll let you do some. Okay, so you just lightly twist it
and then
and it pops off.
off?
Okay.
No, only do like 3. Hold up, let me see. Let me see if it's a clean break. You did it, good job. Okay, do the bottom, let's start at the bottom. Oh, yeah? Yeah. I think that's just the way that it grows. I think I watered it too much. Or the soil didn't drain good enough. Oh, this one's at the bottom, so I'll start with this one first. Hold a little. Oh, right. I don't know. I got that for it. Last one. Okay? Okay.
And
You
then
can do the
this-
rest.
Well, I'm going to do this one.
Mommy, I want to
Oh.
pull.
This one I don't think will grow because it wasn't a clean break.
Here, can I
Unless
see it,
can
Mommy?
see if you can get that off.
That looks fine now.
It might work. So then I'm going to trim this shorter.
And back.
We took a break to rearrange.
We took a break to rearrange.
Okay, so we're going to do this one first because it's kind of weirdly sick looking. So if you see, it's really pruny. I think I did water it way too much. So, look, this one is all shriveled up. Ugh. So it looks healthy from like this for like 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe even the 5th row. So I think we'll see if we can get these off neatly. You don't have to twist that one.
Oh.
See? You didn't get it. So
I
that
didn't.
one's trash.
Okay, Look at that crow, Mom.
Creepy.
Look at this one.
Let me see. Looks good. Good job.
So like,
Okay, so this one, I replanted them and they're kind of weird too. So I'm
Mommy?
gonna pull off the dead leaves.
Mommy, so like right up to here.
Yeah,
Like,
till it's a little flower again.
it's a little flower. Okay.
Okay, work your way around the bottom in a circle. Careful, Avery, that music may be copyrighted.
What's that mean? On it while they're doing it.
So the video I saw said when it starts to stretch like that, it's going towards the sunlight.
And it's
so
not
you
healthy.
can, well, it's just, I think she said it's called elongating. So
Elongating,
I'm
whatever.
probably going to go ahead and take all the leaves off up to here and try and get new roots to sprout on this. I may just be killing all my succulents. We'll see, I guess. That's what happens when there's coronavirus and you're stuck inside your house.
Is you have to do fun stuff.
So this is our fun stuff. I think I'm going to leave it like that because it's adorable.
And it matches
So-
the cousin.
Aw,
Cousins.
twinsies. Okay.
Cousins.
So why is this in here?
What is it?
Um,
Oh, I don't know.
Okay.
It fell
so,
off.
So here's what we're going to do. We'll plant these and we're going to trim this.
Mommy,
again.
can I trim one?
Yep, see how I'm doing it? Leave,
Uh-huh.
leave about a finger width.
Okay. My finger's smaller than yours.
Do your finger width, that's fine.
Okay.
Okay, oh, that's awful thick. So this one we're going to stick back in the ground because it's got roots already.
Oh, the leaf fell off.
Uh-oh.
It's okay.
And this
it was
one
a
we're
clean
going to
cut.
let dry out so it'll grow new roots. Now we've got like 75 plants off of one plant if they all grow. Don't
That's my
cut the
finger
roots. You need to,
Like right there.
okay. Ah, you did it. Okay. All right, so we've got a stem,
A stem,
a stem.
a stem,
And
and
replant this
we
one.
can
He's
replant
fine.
that one.
He looks like a cabbage.
Well, he's
We'll put him
kind
in
of he's
here.
kind of like. Can I do it? Oh, I wanted to do it. Here, can I do it, Mama?
Calm down. Just let him chill for a minute. He'll be fine.
Chill, chill, cabbage. Chill, chill, cabbage. Chill, chill, cabbage. Cabbage,
Okay.
chill, chill.
I'm putting dirt in this owl that I just took the other guy out of.
I'm coming back for you. Got another paper plate. So. Here, can I move this a little bit over? Mom.
Just wait, please. One thing at a time.
Oh, there you go. Sorry, I moved that way too fast. In the jungle, the lion jungle, the lion sleeps tonight.
Stem.
Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. I know how to tell the difference, Mom. Because of the, you can see the callus.
Yeah? We'll have to look and see which ones have that.
They don't have the this one doesn't have the callus. This one, that has a callus, so it goes over there. This one has a callus. This one has a callus. This one has a callus. Then this one, no callus. No callus. Okay, so I'm still doing this swirl. Like I told you guys I was doing.
This one doesn't look
This-
very healthy. Let's not.
Yeah, let's not do that one. I'm just going to replace it with this one. And I already did this tray, as you can see. And I'm doing this one now.
So it could take a day or two, maybe 3 for the new leaves to get calluses. And then it can take even longer for the tops of the plants to get calluses.
It can take about, no, she said 5 to 6 days for these to get calluses and 1 to 2 days for these to get calluses.
Okay.
I heard that in the video because I was paying so much attention. Don't know how to say it, but
Okay. So here's those stems. We'll have to watch.
them grow and
Yeah,
stuff.
keep an eye on them.
And here's our baby cabbage. Hey, I said I wanted to do that.
And then
Look at this little ball like right here. It's weird.
it's just a piece of the dirt.
Yeah, it's
And
weird.
then, so these guys that have been drying out for several days, we will lay them in our new tray of dirt.
Mommy, could I do that?
Sure.
And like a pretty,
Pretty design.
yeah, pretty design, like a heart or something. Then I'm gonna put this in. See, that looks like this.
Okay.
So
Do you want to
I'm
put
all
the stems
done.
in the blank spot you've got? There's stems there. Put them on your blank.
So I
spot
can
on
do
your
like
plate,
this.
just in case they work.
Yeah. I can do like that, and then I can do like that, and then this.
Okay.
And then I can put that little baby in there.
Okay. Perfect.
So what am I gonna do over here?
Take these. Make sure they've got a. Make sure they've
Hold
got
on,
a
I got
good
glitter in
callus on.
there.
See, I don't.
Here, let me see it. Let me see it. They have a sort of callus, so I can just put them in there, then give them a little dirt.
That one definitely has one.
Let me see it.
You just lay it flat. You can get them pretty close together,
Do you see what I'm doing, Mom?
alternating
What's that mean?
one way and one another way.
I'm tired. My eyes are falling asleep.
We're almost done. Spray them.
And the dirt, it has to be
Yes.
dirt. Like
Okay.
mud or something.
Now,
Okay.
what is today's date?
Today is March 19th, I'm pretty sure.
21st.
21st.
March 21st.
Can I spray these, Mama?
Mm,
Because they
no,
haven't got
we'll use a
watered.
different thing to water them. Okay, don't water these guys. They stay dry.
Water
These
these?
ones you could water.
Okay, so I'm going to get this one first. I'm going to give it a little water, then this one. Give it a little water. This one. Give it a little water. Then this one. Give it a little bit of water. I'm going to give them a few drops more because they didn't get a
Okay.
good amount.
Okay, so this is where we're at. And we'll update you if we have updates.
So, bye. See you on our next vlog. Make sure to subscribe. Subscribe and like our videos. Bye.